So for this example here, again, we're going to try to find out what the actual length is going to be. So this problem says the diagram shown below or represents a garden. The scale is that for every 1 centimeter, that's going to equal to 20 meters. Each square in the drawing measures 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. We want to find the actual length and width of the garden based upon the given method. So what we're going to do are two different methods. Method 1 is use a scale that they give us, which is that for 1 centimeter, it's going to be 20 meters. Method 2 is that we're going to be using a scale factor, which is we're going to change everything into centimeters. So if this is 1 centimeter, this is actually going to be 2,000 centimeters here. Both will get you the same answers in the end, but again, we're going to be trying it two different ways to make sure that we could do it both ways if needed. So our first one is that for 1 centimeter, it equals to 20 meters. And then for our second method here, we're going to say that for 1 centimeter, it equals to 2,000 centimeters. That means our scale factor for method 1, or our constant proportionality actually, is 20. And that means our equation is y equals to 20x. And then for method 2, our equation is going to be y equals to 2,000x. Both will get us the numbers that we need. Now, first off, we need to take a look at this drawing and figure out what's our length and what our width is going to be. Now, they're letting us know is that each box measures 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So that means it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters in length and 4 centimeters in width. So for method 1, let's find our length first. Using y equals to 20x, we're going to replace 8 centimeters with x. So that means our length is going to be 160 meters. If I'm doing my width, using the same equation again, still replacing x, what we're going to do is y equals to 20 times 4, which ends up equaling to 80 meters. So that means for method 1, we have length of 160 meters to 80 meters. Now, we're going to do the same exact thing for method 2, but this time everything is just going to be in centimeters for us. So our length, using y equals to 2,000 x, replace our x with 8, and that should equal to 16,000 centimeters. And then for width, using y equals to 2,000 x, y equals to 2,000 times 4, which ends up becoming 8,000 centimeters. So that means we have a length of 16,000 centimeters by 8,000 centimeters.